tonight I'm going to try this one. Kiss Lash extension. It's called Lux extension. So usually I go out like every couple months to do my lashes, to do an extension in my lashes, but you know, medyo mahal siya. Yung lighting kasi pag nasa mukha ko talaga, yung ang napaka maliwanag, so I don't have a good lighting in my. Okay, so ito na, palayo ako, medyo I'm a little bit close to the camera. So first we're gonna take, so this package has a brush, this little tweezer that you can use, and this glue, and this little tiny eyelashes that you're gonna glue in, and of course we need a mirror. So they have two types of glue, black. I think I really need more lighting here because my lighting sucks. Okay, so this one, they have a black glue, lash glue remover. Perfect. Now, good luck guys, let's start. Either shorts or there's long. Okay, let's start. I want to do the short ones actually. I still have lash extension, but I'm gonna just add some on the front. So here's a little bit of glue. Okay, so now let's do it. Let's add this. Let's see if this will. Sorry, my mirror is here. There you go. How do you think? Okay, maybe I'm gonna put my mirror close to the camera. Oh, just fell out. Oh, I got a hard time working on this. I don't know. Hard to maintain some aesthetic beauty, you know. But we like it. We feel somebody with it, you know. That's a lot of times beauty is work, right? So we have to work it out. Even like maintenance of, you know, like a good body, you have to exercise and eat properly, eat some healthy food, not junk food. So, and more so with putting some lashes on. Why not? Oh gosh, I'm not good at this. I need a pro. Oh my gosh, look at this is hard job. I don't know how my eyelash technician do this thing. Like these little strands. How could you do this? How could you do this every day? Ano nang hindi na dumidikit guys. Ano nang nangyari? Bumabaliktad na. Oh my gosh. Pasanayan lang yan. Okay? Pasanayan lang. This is so hard. Okay, one more dip into the glue. I'm almost gonna give up. I won't give up. It's so hard when you're doing it on the left side because I'm right-handed. So I just dropped a couple of eyelashes. Mahirap maging DIY ng papaganda. But you know, I think practice lang. Pag araw-arawin mo to, siguradong magiging expert ka nito. You know, sige, tingnan natin ulit. Try natin. Sa left na naman ako. So, kailangan ko siyang i-set up na pwedeng, ayan. Nadikit ko na. May difference na. Meron ng difference, diba? Kaya kanina. So, tingnan natin. Stay tuned kayo dyan. Sige. Nakikita niyo yung difference. I already glued 2 sets of eyelashes. So, tingnan natin yung shorts naman tayo. Ito yung shorts. Ay, hindi nakikita. Ayan. Ano ba? Hindi na nakikita. So, shorter, I put couple. So, you see this one, there's just only a little bit. So, this one is a little bit longer on the other side. Because I already put one set of it. I got the long set on the side. And then it gets shorter as it goes to the center. Okay? So, I'll get back to you and see how it goes. Nagdiferensya. Nagdiferensya na ba? Mahirap mag-DIY, you know. Pero, it's fun kasi you get to know yourself, you get to know how to do it, diba? So, kunting tiyaga lang, pasensya, tsaka matatapos din tayo.